Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bobbi. While you're here and we're all in the intro-y part, I'm just gonna have you, while I'm talking, just go click down the video and hit subscribe. Please and thank you. So guess what, guys? Today I have a collab for you guys, and it's on this look right here with an amazing girl. She's one of my Insta friends, y'all, and she is from the United Kingdom. Her name is Feirmane, and we both happen to have the Morphe 35I Icy Fantasy palette. Okay, and it looks like this right here. I used about 5 of the shades in it. And I'm gonna just point to them really quickly because I don't show you like the shade in the pan. I just, I just show you guys. So I used this purple and I outlined it with this shimmery purple right here. Okay, I used this minty green right here, and I outlined it with this white. It looks white right here on camera, but it has a really beautiful like green shimmery reflect in it. It's stunning, really. And then I used this color right here, and I know this one's name offhand because I thought it was just so cute. It's called BRRR-Illiant, like brr, I'm cold, but brilliant. And this is like white, but it's like a silvery kind of white, you know? So it's like super pretty. It's beautiful. So I use those. Oh, I can tell you because the little paper, I hate the little paper. Like, why wouldn't they just put it under here? You know what I'm saying? Like, put the damn name on the thing. Nobody needs the names on these things to sound like a lightning bolt. So anyways, so I have the shade Flash. I use the shade Flash Freeze, Chill, Thrill, Dreamer, and Holotherma, along with BRRR-Illiant. Okay? Sorry for my tangent. I'll calm down now. But this is the look that I did. I know they're not exactly the same, but it kind of gives you a choice. Like, do you want more of a swoopy, go with the flow kind of look, or do you want a more angular and straight kind of look? See? There you go. Now you can choose. Okay, but this is my struggle eye. This is my regular eye. You guys know I got a struggle eye and a regular eye. But if you are ready to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, first of all, I am going to apologize for not having Storytime Saturday, but I really wanted to do a collab and like get back a little bit to like makeup. Not that my channel was ever not about makeup or beauty things, you know, but like I'm just saying, like I really wanted to do like an extra kind of makeup look. So I had an opportunity, I took it. Don't fault me for it. I'll come back with a story time next week. It'll be nice and juicy, just like y'all like. Anyway, so this is the shade Dreamer, and you know, I love this palette, but I love this palette for its shimmer shades. But I hate this palette, right? I have a love-hate relationship with it, okay? Let's just be clear. I love it, but I hate it. I love the shimmers and I hate the mattes. I'm gonna try and quit cursing. I say that all the time, but this palette, I feel like I've been bamboozled by the display ones and stuff, because my Insta friend, you know, Eve, she told me that like we reconvened after we had both already finished our looks, and we were both like, yeah, I remember why I stopped using this. It's so powdery, the kick up in the pan and the fallout on your face and the patchiness. Oh my god, the patchiness. You guys are gonna see me try to MacGyver my way through the patchiness, and literally this look took so long because of the patchiness. If there wasn't shimmers in the palette, I probably would have thrown it away by now, honestly. But anyways, back to our makeup, our situation at hand. Okay, I used the shade Get Fresh to what you call it, to like blend out the purple shade. And I did my under eye concealer because I just wanted to go ahead and get it on there, because you know, I was going to do something a little bit intricate, so I was like, well, let me hurry up and get that on there. But this, guys, just in case if you didn't know, is a quick little trick, and I use this the whole time because I think that regular Q-tips are just a little bit fat for trying to clean up an eye look. So I always take the first little layer of cotton off, and then I put it into my makeup remover so that I can get a good sharp crisp line. And trust me, it takes me a while later on to get the inner thing, get that crease cut. Oh my god, that little angle. I don't know why I thought I had so much lid space, but I don't. But this shade right here, Holothermia is like so pretty. I don't think that the camera really does it justice, just like it doesn't do a lot of the pastel shades justice, but it's like pinky. Oh my god, look, this is me trying to fix the patchiness. I just put like a very little bit of concealer, and then I realized, like, after I did this patch, I was like, okay, first it's still patchy, and it's patchy in other places too. This didn't fix anything. It low-key made it worse. You can see it made it worse. Now there's like a dark spot, but it's like, and I'm not one to layer things up on myself. So I did one little test patch to see if that would work. Nay, I say. It did not work. So we're gonna, like, I don't know what I could do. If you guys have any suggestions as to what I could do, see if y'all are some beauty buffs, like help a sister out, help a beauty guru out, okay? Because like, this was not working. It was not working. Everything I was trying to do, it was not working today. And this is the shade Get Fresh, and I was trying to, you know, give it a little bit of shape on this look already with the Get Fresh shade, and I wanted to have like a negative space kind of look, so I end up using Get Fresh again, even though I take it all off, because Get Fresh is basically my skin tone. If you can see, like, it's the shade that blended out the purple, so it's slightly lighter than my skin tone, but I wanted to use it, and I wanted to have negative space right there, but I have negative space on my other eye. You guys can't see my struggle eye right now, but literally, like, my eyelids are so veiny and kind of pinkish or whatever. Like, I have discoloration and whatnot, so I needed like my skin tone maybe a little bit better, and I was gonna like use another palette entirely, but it just so happened to work out I didn't have to. But yeah, I was just trying to get that good old negative space kind of look. And you guys, I'm so sorry that y'all have to watch me struggle through this, because trust me, living it was a struggle. I was so mad. I was about to wipe everything off and start again. I was like, fuck this look, fuck this white eyeliner, fuck it all. Like, I already was not having a good day and everything. And you guys want to know why I didn't have a good day? Oh, this is the shade that I was talking about, Flash Freeze, that is like white in the pan, but it has like a greenish reflect. Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all why I didn't have a good day. So last night I was, you know, exercising. I was doing swing squats with a kettlebell, right? And I got done exercising. I ended my exercises on the ground with crunches. Okay, so because, you know, bitches trying to stay in shape, so I left it on the corner of my bed, and I'm laying on the floor, like basically beneath my bed, and my wife's cat, lovely little Samson, He was up there napping. I guess he didn't like that I put the kettlebell next to his napping spot. Okay, that's fine. But while I'm laying on the freaking ground, that little bastard, he just like, he pushed it down. It's a 10-pound kettlebell. He pushed it down onto my head. So like you guys can't see it, but because it's out of frame right now, but above the eye that I'm doing right now, like I have a knot. Like you can kind of see it right here, but I don't have any bruising because, you know, it's a little too soon for bruising. But like, that cat's an asshole. He didn't even get no punishment for it, y'all. This is bullshit. But anyways, back to the makeup. I just had to tell y'all my story. I told you it wasn't gonna be story time Saturday, but you got a little one. I snuck it in there. So still on the you guys, this little it looks like the Gymshark thing. That's all I keep thinking about, the little shark, the little Gymshark. Okay, this gave me so much trouble. You have no idea how much trouble that little bitty like mini wing gave me. And I literally, like, if I have a white like liquid eyeliner from NYX, but the white eyeliner cracks so much that I was like, I can't use that. I can't use that. It's for a collab. It's gonna make us both look bad if I look bad. So like, I can't do that. So, but like that would have helped out so much in this instance. And I really should have done an outline of that and then went with the white concealer on the inside. It just would have saved me so much trouble, so much cleanup, and like my lines would have probably been like way more sharp. See, I told y'all I'll go back in with Get Fresh because it's, you know, like kind of like my skin tone, you know. Oh goodness, you guys, I tried everything. I know you guys see me like have a makeup wipe around like a nail thing, and that kind of worked for the outer corner of this little, I'm gonna call it like a Pac-Man mouth. Okay, it kind of worked a little bit for the Pac-Man mouth, but it didn't like work that well, to be honest. So I ended up going back to a Q-tip, and it was a mess. That's why I had to tell you, like, hold on just a second, please give me a minute. Like, I was struggling. Both of my eyes were struggle eyes today. You guys don't even know. So I have to go back in with more white eyeliner. I'm like so done. I'm gonna do smoky looks for like the next couple weeks. So if you guys are here for the bright and colorful, don't come at me for it, okay? I'm done with these bright, colorful looks. I'm done with this freaking icy fantasy palette, unless I need the shimmers, and then I might, you know, change my mind a little bit. Yeah, like if you got anywhere you need to be, don't reach for icy fantasy palette, okay? Because it has you in there for at least 2 hours, like it did me. Can you tell I'm bitter? I'm sorry. I could have been like out like caking with babe or something. I could have been like being productive like a grown-up, doing something, you know, like whatever, anything. I'm telling y'all, by the time I got to my lower lash line, I hated white concealer. I hated it. It's bullshit. Anyway, so I put the white concealer in my waterline and my lower lash line, and you can see me like flicking my lashes with the white concealer because I wanted chill thrill lashes. Okay, I had to try. I saw somebody on Instagram, like somebody I follow, I asked them like, how did you get your lashes to be that color? And they were like, white eyeliner or white concealer and, you know, the shade. And I was like, ooh, I need to try that. And so it works, right? It's like not messy at all. I love it. So I think I'm going to try it just like with a better shade, because honestly, the chalkiness, the powderiness, I was over it. I'm done with it, over it. And so it doesn't mess up my line. Like I'm literally like painting it on to my thing, like getting one of those little spongy things are good for something, and this is it. I normally throw those little shits away. Like who else throws those away? Like let me know in the comments section, like if you guys throw them away or if you keep them. I only have like 2 because I normally throw them away, honestly, but now I know I need to keep them for situations such as this. And this is the shade that I love. Like I would have paid good money that I paid for this whole palette for just the shimmers in it, like the whole palette, because it's so pretty, right? And this is the final look. Thank you. So I went off camera and I curled my lashes. I didn't do anything else other than fix my hair and do the rest of my face. I put on some lip gloss, which is the Belle and Argent lip gloss in So Bored. And this is how the look came out. And I realized after I was already done with the lines and everything that they're not exactly the same, but it's passable. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, so it gives you an option though. If you want it to be more straight and edgy or more curved, you know. Either one. I actually really like both of them. I think this one is a little sharper, but I think this one's more swoopy. It has a little bit more of a flow to it. And that's how artistry is, guys. So I wanted to, you know, start my shout outs with, hey guys, thank you so much for subscribing and being new to my channel. Of course, actually new to my channel is Eve Feirmane, you know, the girl I'm doing the collab with. And also our new one is Ali NYC. Thanks girl for subscribing. And Shanetta McCaskill, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, y'all. I really do appreciate it. Every time somebody subscribes, that means that they support me personally and my channel and what I'm doing here. So thank you guys. Welcome, and I hope you enjoy the content that I make. So I upload videos every Thursday and Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed the look that I did here today, and y'all have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.